Hi everybody, today I show you how to peel the tangerines. Yeah, this is the tangerine, and let me show you how to peel. It's easy. This one is different. This is very good tangerine, easy to peel. And like this one. This one is so easy. I like this one. I bought this from the Asian market store, grocery store, and it smells very good and easy to peel, and it's good too. I add 3 of them already. Let me hurry up. Yeah. Okay, done. And now usually I peel this through away. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Dave. Oh. Mm.